Wisely Loans Honest Review. Watch before using. Welcome to this honest review of Wisely Loans. Today, I'll take you through the features, benefits, potential drawbacks, and who this service is best suited for. No fluff, just the info you need to make an informed decision. Wisely Loans is a personal loan provider designed for people who want a quick, straightforward way to get funds without a lengthy approval process. With Wisely, you can apply entirely online, and they advertise fast approvals, often within a day, and direct deposit disbursement soon after. That's a major plus if you're in a bind and need cash quickly. One of Wisely's key features is its flexible loan amounts, which can range from as low as $500 up to $15,000, depending on your eligibility. Interest rates, however, can vary widely based on your credit score and state regulations, so this is something to keep in mind. The application process itself is pretty straightforward. You'll provide basic personal and financial information, and Wisely runs a soft credit check initially, so it won't impact your score right off the bat. However, if you choose to proceed, a hard credit check will apply, which could impact your credit slightly. One thing to consider is that Wisely Loans, like many fast approval services, can have relatively high interest rates, especially if your credit score is in the lower range. While they're open to borrowers with less than perfect credit, it's essential to look closely at the terms. Wisely's loan terms range from 12 to 60 months, which gives some flexibility, but longer terms could mean paying more in interest over time. Also, their late fees can add up, so if you're considering this loan, make sure you have a solid plan for repayment. So, who is Wisely Loans best for? Wisely is a fit if you need quick access to funds and have a fair credit score or above. It's a practical option for emergencies or debt consolidation if you're aware of and comfortable with the potential interest rate. However, if you're looking for a lower cost loan and can wait longer for funds, it might be wise to explore other options with lower rates. To sum up, Wisely Loans provides quick funding with minimal hassle, but requires a careful review of the interest rate and terms, especially if you're in a lower credit range. It's a solid choice for convenience, but only if you've reviewed the repayment plan and are comfortable with the costs.